Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2013 Tesla Model S. We're going to go over this procedure in which to connect your phone to your vehicle to make receive calls and use as your navigation system. So to start with, you want to have your vehicle parked in a safe location and stopped so that you can do this safely. So there are 2 to 3 different ways to get to the screen to connect a phone. The easiest one is to just tap the button up top here, right where or tap where your time is at the very top. And that brings up the screen and then you can connect a phone. The other option is to go down through here and the music symbol. And now we have phone and we can tap that and it's saying we don't have a device connected, and so then we're going to connect a phone. You need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on your phone so that it will be able to connect. And then we're going to hit start searching, and there is the phone, and so we're going to hit yes. And now we have the same passcode that's in here. We match it there and we hit pair. And then there's going to be other questions from your phone of whether you want to have all your contacts downloaded to here and whatnot. Now, this is the Tesla Model S, and so it had been paired before, but if it wasn't, it would be down here for you to start selecting. Anyway, so we've connected our phone. Now we can make and receive phone calls and everything that you would want to do with it, and also play your music from your phone through your vehicle. Now, say you're done with this vehicle, whether you were borrowing it or you rented it and you needed to disconnect your phone from it, you would want to go back through either option of the phone. And then we select the phone again. And this is the phone that's connected. But if we hit connect phone, it brings us up to this screen. And now you can select either one. But you select the phone you want to disconnect. Your disconnect is just not allowing it to connect there. But if you want to forget the device and get rid of the whole device and all of your contacts, that's the one you want to hit. And then forget. And so that will clear that phone out. And then whoever's the other phones you can leave there if there's somebody you know. But that's how you add phone to your vehicle and delete that phone in case you need to on your Tesla Model S of a 2013. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.